Okay. I woke up, got ready for work. It's Saturday, baby. I think, yeah, it's definitely Saturday, baby. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. So I woke up this morning like, oh, stuff's happening. Oh, son of a bitch, I forgot to. What if I just set you right there? Got to work and started doing my thing, setting up the Ingles Deli for the little town I live in, doing my best, at least. And we were pretty understaffed this morning. It was kind of hectic, but I don't know why. I felt I had a pretty good day. Felt like everything was okay, even though I had to go get the fucking Starbucks, the keys for the cage start over. I had to go to the fucking cage a gazillion times, and that means I had to go to Starbucks and get the key, and then go to the cage, and then take whatever I needed back from the freaking cage to the kitchen, and then go back to Starbucks, and then go back to the kitchen and do my thing, and I'm like, I'm wasting so much time. Anyway, my lovely, lovely wife came by this morning, and her mom wasn't feeling too good. I was like, girl, let me go get this chicken noodle soup out the freezer. I'm on my way to your car right now. You're gonna take me directly to her right this instant, and I'm gonna give her this entire thing. And poor sweet pea. I hope they're feeling better. I should probably check on them before I go to bed. Girl, I literally need to lay off the Mott's apple juice. Okay. Anyway, dude, that was awesome. And I was so excited when I got to work because I thought Nathan was gonna work first today. And then Angel texted him and was like, you actually were gonna work second today. And I was like, but I wore this really sparkly green shimmery eyeshadow in the hopes that he would be like, wow. And instead, it caught the attention of everybody. It made everybody's day, but that's beside the point. I'm just kidding. That's probably not true, but in my mind, I'm gonna say it is. Anyway, that was pretty awesome. You can probably still see some of the green under my eye. Hi, Pinterest notification. I am boycotting Pinterest right now because I had Pinterest accounts from like 7th or 8th grade or something, and freak, I don't know how, but it's gone. I can't log back into it. I don't know what information they have on file, but it's gone. And I'm so mad because I had so many boards and so many things. But I'll never get back. Ooh. Anyway. Work was alright. I feel like, I don't know. I have no idea. Need I say more? Do you see this? Did you hear that? You guys better listen. She's not playing around. No, I'm just kidding. Look at this. I came into work today, and the store manager was like, well, actually, I was slicing an order for somebody, and I just got done with it. And they walked up, and they held out this little piece of cardboard with my Philly cream cheese earrings on them. Oh my god, so freaking cute. I was like, I'm kind of freaking out, actually. And it was beautiful. They're gorgeous. They're so beautiful, and they're so well made. Look at this. My ear's gonna rip off before this earring does, okay? They're so beautiful. And I think tomorrow, I'm gonna see if I can find a nice blue, like the font, and wear that again. I like the blues and greens recently. I think I got one that'll match them pretty good. They're so cute. Speaking of makeup, my wife did this beautiful makeup look today, and every time we do makeup, I'm just like, okay, we get it. You are creative, you are talented, you are beautiful, you can rock anything. Do you have to show it? No, I'm just kidding. Actually, my biggest problem with it is picking my new home screen, my wallpaper. I don't know. There's a gazillion beautiful pictures to choose from, you know? Oh my goodness. Dang. I just remembered they showed up in the Ingles hoodie with the hat, Oh my god. Every time I see my wife in the hat, I'm just like, can I take it off of you? Oh, they were so sweet. Miss them to bits. What else happened today? I have no freaking idea. Dude, the fucking milkshake machine slurped up some kid's frozen treat and didn't spit it back out. And I was like... And Kaylee came running over from the bakery and was like, Ivy, can you help these guys? And I was like, I've never touched this milkshake machine for as long as I've worked here. Ever. And you want me to help? And I was like, ma'am, you can just get a new one and I'll discard this one. And then I look over and I see Lisa and I'm like, and she comes over and says the same thing and I'm like, oh my god, give me your name tag. We're it was awesome possum. It was an awesome possum for the family, although because they did not get a sweet treat. I'm so sorry. Anyway. I accidentally got an apple white grape juice from the fridge, so this is a real fucking bummer, you guys. Don't know how I feel about this. It's not apple juice, so I pour it out on the floor. Oh, it's really not apple juice. Ooh. I don't know. I got my mom a drink after work today. Because I felt like we deserved it. So I spent a couple of dollars on my mommy and I. And, I don't know. I got home undressed, de-stressed. Ate 2 hot dogs and a bowl of cereal today, so granted not a big bowl of cereal, but that's a lot of food to put in my body compared to what I had been, so hat on the back, girl. I straightened up just a little bit more in my room. It's slow work because I am so particular about the way I do things. I'm sorry I'm weird, but I am. I want to sweep tomorrow. I want to give the dogs, some more of the dogs a bath. I'm gonna finish a cigarette right now, though. There you go. Look at that. Look at that filter. How much do you think actually made it through the filter into my lungs? Probably way more than should have. Right on the fucking camera. Headphone users. No, I don't know. Actually, I've wasted the past 2 hours, I think, just staring at things in my room. I reread all the letters my wife has ever sent me, and I was like, I'm so in love with you. Okay, I'll admit it. I love you, so what? And then, fuck, I feel like I had so much more to talk about before I actually started talking. Oh my god, the funniest thing happened. So, my wife gave me something, and I just left it on my table for now. until I could find a proper home for it, and my Aunt Jennifer came here and set it on my shelf, right? Set it up nice and neat, and it was so cute, and I was like, actually, we can leave that there forever. And then she knocked it over, and then set it back up, but I'm not gonna get too close, because I don't want to dox them legitimately, but it's upside down. Do you see them? They're upside down. I thought it was so cute. I think I might just leave them like that. I'm so sorry, baby. If you get dizzy, let me know. Girl, I feel like... Look, I even put all my books away on my bookshelf. By the way, the day my wife comes over, we're gonna watch Saw, first of all, which... We are going to watch fucking Saw immediately. On site. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm not kidding. These are my friend Veronica's copies. I've had them for probably 3 years. Probably 2, actually, but... Veronica, after I watch them with my wife, you can legitimately have them back. I promise. I'm so sorry. Anyway, did I close my thing? No. Oh my god, you guys, sneak peek at my life. And this tiny little thing right here that I never open, I've got all my, where's my finger pointing? Where's my camera? Actually, I don't have to explain it to you. I changed my mind. I came back. Hold on. Do you want to see me sit down? Okay. I found them today, so, that was awesome. I also found a whole bunch of other movies, including titles such as Shark Tale, The Cat in the Hat, aka 2 of the best movies ever made. Crybaby, have you ever seen that movie? My grandma showed it to me when I was really young, and so I've got really good memories of it. So I'm always like, I like this movie. I love this movie. Excuse me. Dude, it's so funny how many movies I have that are just, like, terrible. Like, I got the Slender movie. Girl, what? That one called Slender, I think it is? No, it's always watching. Girl, what? Why the fuck? I have... Damn it. It's like, I turn around to look and then immediately forget. You guys. Actually, a movie I have that doesn't suck is called The Green Mile. I've been thinking, wouldn't it be so funny if I told my wife, hey baby, we're gonna sit down, we're gonna watch Saw, okay? And then I pull out Saw, like the case, and I'm just like, okay, time to put it in the, and actually it was The Green Mile the whole time, and they thought they were just gonna sit with me for like an hour and a half, and instead they're there for 4, sobbing straight. That movie will make you cry. It will make you scream and cry and throw up on the floor. And oh my god, I want to watch The Green Mile now. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm probably gonna throw on Saw before I go to bed for real tonight, because I want to watch it. I want to watch it so bad. I don't care who the fuck is with me, even if it's nobody. It's like one of my favorite movies. It makes me laugh because there's so many funny Saw memes. That are just so much funnier after having, like, recently watched it, so I'm so excited to laugh again. I don't know if anything else happened today, I really don't. I'm trying to think. I miss Eric, like, every day, bro. I miss my wife, like, every day. I don't know. I'm tired, to be honest, but I don't want to go to bed. I think that's what I'm gonna do now. Probably. Let me think if I have anything else important to say. Probably not. Actually, today at the meat counter, this lady walked up with a little baby. A little youngin', a really young baby in the little seat part of the shopping cart. And she looked at me, and I'm talking about the woman, and I was making eye contact with her the whole time. And then, as I said, okay, ma'am, it'll be a few minutes. Can I have your name? I looked down at the baby, and she made eye contact with me and just gave me the biggest freaking cheesing grin I have ever seen in my life. And it melted my freaking heart. I wanted to cry. I was like, got me tearing up just a little bit at the memory. She was so cute. She had the chunkiest little cheek. Oh my god. I was like, dude, can I have a baby for just a couple minutes? And then, as I got her name, as I was like, her name, and then I was like, with the baby, and I was like, you know, I did my little thing. I geeked out, and she gave me her name, and as her mom walked away, she went. I was like, oh my god. It was super cute. I loved her. I fell in love right then with that little baby. I don't know what else. Anything? Dude, I get so freaking mad when I ask a customer directly. Okay, these are the two most common things that piss me the fuck off in my everyday life. I would like it shaved. Would you like it completely shaved into shreds or extremely thin slices? I want it shaved into fucking shreds. Okay, so I do that. Girl, okay. Why is it shaved to shreds? Girl, cause I fucking asked you if you wanted it like that and you said yes? Okay. Fucking number 2. Do you want this on a bun? Girl, yes, me. Puts it on a bun. Why did you put it on a bun? Girl, cause I asked you and you said fucking put it on a bun? Oh my word. Also, when the customer is like, also, I'm in a hurry. Can you freaking do this really quickly? No, ma'am, I cannot. I mean, I can, but I will not now. I'm kidding. I probably will put a little extra fucking back into it, but you're not getting very much from me because you asked me directly for it now. Don't tell me I finished off my cigarettes. I had to break open a new pack. That's terrible. I'm so addicted. It's like I almost said a pack a day, but it's just about. Oh no. Well, actually, I've been giving cigarettes to my friends at work and my Aunt Jennifer and stuff. So it's not me finishing the whole pack, but it's like me smoking more than half of it. I'm going to yawn so close to the camera right now. I've been listening to Tame Impala all day. Girl, no surprise. I listen to Tame Impala every day. I really do. I love Tame Impala. I love Kevin Parker. So freaking much. And he put on a concert tonight, and he said, oh my god, you guys, he sang Skeletons. Like, yes, Skeletons, A$AP Rocky Skeletons. And he's got such a beautiful voice. He's probably one of the most talented people in the whole entire world. He's definitely very close to the top of the list. Oh my word, I love Kevin Parker. I wish I was fucking rich and sexy. No, I already am sexy, but I wish I was rich enough to just fucking... This is for you, Kevin. Oh, fuck. Like swimming in the ocean. Oh, I got it stuck in my head. We're floating. I can't sing, but that's okay. I'll put my heart into it. I think that's what counts. Same with especially with Fall Out Boy. Dude, I've been listening to Fall Out Boy so much recently. I mean, I always listen to Fall Out Boy, but like... Oh my word, oh my stars. I'm sleepy, baby. Let's talk about Fall Boy. Dude, Champagne for My Real Friends is one of my favorite songs in the world, probably. When he's like, you are a getaway car, rush of blood to the head. But me, I'm just the covers on top of your bed. Oh my freaking god, hold on. I can't take it. My body's like, stop talking, Ivy, you need oxygen. And I'm like, no, I want to talk. Look, I'm crying now. Dude, everything is so hard all the time. No, I'm just kidding. Dude, I need to stop talking if I want to watch Saw, though, because I have to wake up early tomorrow and wash my hair. My nose is still wet from that tear. My nose is all stuffy. Dude, I promise I don't have the disease. I hope. Even if I do, I mean, worst case scenario, I die, and I mean, really, who's that gonna bother? Not me. Kidding. The first movie is the best one. It will always be the best one. And I have not seen Spiral yet, and it makes me so super fucking mad. Because when I watch a new Saw movie, I want to watch all the old ones first, and then watch the new ones. So, like, my mind is fresh on the literature. So I think after watching the first one twice in a fucking row, once on my own right now, if I have enough time, what time is it? It's 10:05, so around 11. I don't like that idea. But I want to watch it tonight. I need sleep. Eventually, I will reach the end of the fucking Saw franchise again. Unfortunately, I don't think I can start on it tonight. That drives me crazy. Because there's so many fucking memes that run through my mind right now about the Saw movie. Oh my god, I might just go look at those for 5 more minutes and then be the fuck down. I'm so sleepy. Oh, it felt really good to close my eyes. I might just do that. Dude, my wife told me to move their room around, and I'm like, okay, when do I get to see it? Just kidding. I know circumstances are cookie crazy, and I'll have to freaking set up a hidden camera. No, I'm just kidding. That's a terrible idea. I would never do that. I'm fucking tired. Dude, okay. Weirdest thing happened today. Like, my nipples are never completely, I hate using the word flaccid, but I guess that's accurate in this case. They're always kind of like, hi, but dude, today, I had Spotify on shuffle, and White Iverson came on, and they were like, I was like, girl, what is it? Are you okay? What's going on? I don't know why that has shocked me or confused me or is still on my mind, but it is. You know what is on my mind right now? Things I will not say in this video. I think instead of doing anything that I said I was gonna do, I might just. And, but I did that last night, dude. I mean, it was wonderful. I felt great. I felt like shit because it wasn't happening in real life, but I was like, you know what, this will do for now. So, fucking good night, and goodbye, and peace the fuck out. I'm gonna take these off on camera. POV, you are a flea on my bed, as I get home from work. Oh, I got a pencil from the Dollar Tree. I know I fucking spoil myself, right? And it's got little ghosts on it. So cute. I love it. These little shit quality wooden pencils that mean fuck all, but have super cute little plastic wrappings on them. I'm a sucker for. I got a collection started, bro. I used to have a bigger one, but because of life, I lost all of the cool things I own. Anyway, I'm really gonna go to bed now, I think. If you know what I mean. Bye.